Hope you are doing great. I'm Kirat here to tell you how to make an Arduino remote control car via Bluetooth. Components required: Arduino Uno, L298 motor driver module, HC05 wireless Bluetooth module, 2 motor drivers and 3 wheels, jumping wires and 12-volt battery. Now let's look at the connections. I have connected the motors to the motor driver module with the help of wires, and they are connected to the output pins of the motor driver. These are the input pins which I have connected to the Arduino at the pins 9, 10, 11 and 12 according to my code. And here these are the pins. This is 5 volt, ground and 12 volt. 12-volt battery will be connected to this pin, and the ground and the 5 volt, these will be connected to the Arduino with the help of jumping wire. And then we will connect the Bluetooth module with the Arduino. As you can see, here are 4 pins connected to the Arduino, that is RXT, TXT, GND and VCC. GND pin is connected with the GND pin in Arduino, and VCC is connected to the 5 volt. And TXT and RXT are oppositely connected here. Before moving to the coding part, let us look at the pins of the motor driver. As you can see, these 4 pins are responsible for the direction of the DC motors, and these 2 are responsible for the controlling of the speed of DC motors. These 2 pins are for motor A and these 2 are for motor B. Now I have connected these 4 pins to the digital pins of Arduino at 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here I have used Arduino IDE for writing my code. I have initialized 4 integer variables for the 4 pins I showed before in my motor driver, and also a character value to store the character values. In my void setup, I have set my digital pins as output pins in pin mode and a serial.begin to start the serial communication. In my void loop, val will read the serial values which we will give via Bluetooth app, and serial.print will print the values. Then using if-else conditional statements, I have put the conditions like if the value will be equal to F, that is forward, the pins M1A and M2B will be high and other will low. This will move the motor in forward direction. Similarly, like if we will press backward key, then M1B and M2A will be in high state. This will move the motors in the backward direction. Similarly, I have set the other pins in such a state that it will move in the left, right, stop, forward right, backward right, forward left and backward left directions. For the communication to the car, I have used Bluetooth communication with HC05 Bluetooth module and an application for Android phones, that is Arduino Bluetooth RC card. This app will create a Bluetooth connection with a nearby Arduino board that has been connected with the HC05 module. To test the Bluetooth connections, we can click on the button which is settings and click on the HC05 module. A built-in LED that is in red color will light up to the green, and hence our connections can be confirmed. To communicate between our robot and a mobile app, I have used HC05 Bluetooth module. This module has 4 pins and uses 3.3 volts. It has a TX and a RX pin which is connected to our Arduino, which in turn switch on the Bluetooth module, which will communicate between Arduino and the RC controller mobile application by serial interface. In our application, on pressing the forward key, it converts the action into a variable f, which is then transmitted via Bluetooth to our Bluetooth module and then to our Arduino. After that, according to the code, the robot will perform the actions in this case, which will move in moving forward direction. These buttons, whenever clicked, will convert the input to F, B, L, R, S to move forward, backward, left, right or stop, and transmit it to the Bluetooth. Hence, the code will work according to the values we have given to the motors on pressing such values. बस करो।